Hello everyone, it's Cassandra Lyons with Be Beautiful You, where dancing plus the law of attraction equals dancing 365 days to raise vibration. Today is day 148 of round 2 of Dancing 365. And today I am going to be dancing to one of my TIU sisters, Jodi Samascott, and I love her music. She plays ukulele, she sings beautifully. Today she's going to be doing a cover by Sam Smith, Latch. And the other thing that I want to share with you is that I am a published author. I know that I've shared this, but I'm super excited to be sharing this book that I just got in the mail this last week. I'm so excited. It's Dare to Be Authentic, Learning to Love Yourself. And see, there's my name right there. And I did just close the doors to my drawing to be coaching with me. However, if you want to receive a signed copy from me, you can find out in the information below and pay me directly. I will send you a signed copy. Otherwise, you can purchase them on Amazon as well. So today, let's get up and dance as we are all able. And allow your beautiful energy to raise, and I'll check in with you afterwards.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, only tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat at my chest? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? And now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Now, now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you.
Thank you so very much for dancing, allowing your beautiful light to be seen. Please make sure that you check out Jodi's information in the link below. Also, I want to be sharing that in the coming days, I am going to be, I haven't found a good way of saying this. That's not true. That's not true. My videos have been an amazing experience for me, and I can't believe that they've been in 189 countries so far. I'm so blown away, blessed, feel so grateful. And for me to continue shining my light in a way that feels really, really good for me, I want to invite you to join my membership site. The details aren't fully done yet, but when they are, I'm going to be sharing them through my newsletter. So make sure that you go over to BeBeautifulYouEssentials.com, sign up for my newsletter, and so that you will be able to get firsthand information on my membership site, because the videos are going to go, I'm going to probably do maybe a couple a month here for free. Otherwise, I'm going to be putting all my videos into one place in a membership site. I'm so excited, and I really want to invite you to join me, because this will allow you to take that step, inspired step, to living more fully, using dance, using the law of attraction, being more of the fullness of who you are. The videos are going to be what you see. This is what they are. But when you make that commitment to dancing each and every day, it is something so amazing and so beautiful that happens in your life. So I want you to join me. So make sure that you are signed up for my newsletter. So much love to you. I will be dancing with you and talking with you tomorrow.